Ever tried using toothpaste to clear your acne? Or do you believe that natural skincare products are much better than drugstore products? Think again, because these myths, instead of helping your skin, might be actually damaging them. Hi, I'm Dr. Ingky, and as a dermatologist and skincare expert, I've seen countless of people falling for skincare myths, ruining their skin in the process. So in this video, I'll be sharing you 5 common skincare myths that needs to be busted, and I'll share science-backed tips for glowing skin. These myths might seem helpless, but it can seriously affect your skin health. So myth number 1, using toothpaste for your acne. We've heard a lot on social media that toothpaste is a quick fix to dry up your acne. However, here is the truth. Toothpaste may reduce your acne, but in the process, disrupt your skin barrier, making your skin worse. Now, here are a few reasons why you should never use toothpaste for your acne. First up, toothpaste is alkaline based. The alkaline nature of toothpaste is meant to neutralize the bacteria which is acidic in your mouth. However, when you're applying an alkaline base on your face, you're actually disrupting the natural bacteria which is on your skin. Now, this particular bacteria on your skin is useful because when you have a disruption of equilibrium of bacteria on your skin, that's when it actually worsens your breakouts. Next up, toothpaste also contains SLS. And SLS on your skin will dry up your skin almost immediately. Now, this is not great news for your skin because it will make that particular spot on your skin severely dehydrated. And more often than not, toothpaste contains a lot of additives, which is highly corrosive and irritating for your skin. This means a disrupted skin barrier and a high chance of redness on your skin the moment the acne disappears. So instead of using toothpaste as a quick fix, here are my suggestions. Run along to the drugstore and get yourself benzoyl peroxide. Use a benzoyl peroxide as a spot treatment on your acne, leave it on for no more than 1 hour and then wash it off. And immediately after, you can top it up with a niacinamide serum or a niacinamide moisturizer. Myth number 2, you do not require sunscreen when you're indoors. Many people skip their sunscreen when they're indoors. So is this a right move? Now, first of all, let's talk about why sunscreen is important for your skin. Sunscreen protects your skin against UV radiation. Now, there are 3 types of UV rays: UVA, UVB, and UVC. Now, the reason we don't talk much about UVC is because UVC is filtered out by the ozone layer. So that leaves us with UVA and UVB. UVB is a UV radiation responsible for giving you that nice tan that you're looking for. And UVB, unfortunately, does not get into your house and gets filtered by the glass. Now, that leaves us with UVA. UVA is highly dangerous because it is the UV radiation directly responsible for skin cancer. And unfortunately, it does get through your glass panes, which means you need to use sunscreen indoors to protect your skin against UVA. Now, on top of that, we do have blue light emitting from our devices, from your TVs, to your laptops, to your phones. So you need to find a sunscreen that helps filter out UVA, UVB, and blue light. Now, here is my tip. Look for a broad spectrum sunscreen, anywhere between SPF 30 to SPF 50 with a PA of 3 to 4+. And make it a habit of applying your sunscreen every day on your skin first thing in the morning, whether or not you're staying indoors or you're planning to go outdoors. Now, for myth number 3, is an expensive price tag for your skincare product really worth it? Luxury skincare products typically promises miracles, but is it really worth the price tag? Or should you go for a more affordable alternative? Now, here is the science behind it. Many affordable skincare products actually use the same amount of active ingredients as the luxury skincare products. Now, the only difference between the price tag is typically luxury skincare products set aside a higher budget for their marketing purposes. Higher marketing equals higher cost equals the more expensive the price tag. Now, that doesn't mean a cheaper skincare product is not good as well. It's all about understanding what you're actually putting on your skin. So what you're paying for luxury products are typically the packaging and branding. However, it does not necessarily mean that the luxury products are bad. A lot of luxury skincare products actually do invest in cutting-edge science, which makes their product even better. So how do you find an affordable version for your luxury skincare product? Very importantly is to read the packaging and to understand the ingredients behind them. Many times you'll be able to find similar active ingredients in your luxury products and your affordable skincare products. And my suggestion is to go online and to go to websites like incydecoder.com or skincharisma.com, key in the skincare products that you are researching and find out whether there's an affordable version of that out there. And if there is, you've hit gold. So end of the day, focus on what your skin needs and not what your wallet can afford. What is your take on luxury products versus affordable skincare products? Does rubbing lemon on your skin actually works to exfoliate your skin? Spoiler alert, they do not. Let's talk about the science behind lemon juice. First up, its pH is roughly around 2, which makes it highly acidic. And the pH on your skin is around 5.6 to 7. So introducing something so acidic on your skin is highly irritable for your skin. And this will cause a series of problems. It will cause skin barrier breakdown, it will cause the disruption of your skin's microbiome, which are the friendly bacteria on your skin. And if you do have sensitive skin, it might actually aggravate your sensitive skin issues. So end of the day, if you're using lemon on your skin, lemon juice also increases your skin's sensitivity to sunlight, which means your skin will get an extra tan the moment you walk out into the sun. So end of the day, these particular DIY treatments are actually more harmful than good. And if you want to exfoliate your skin, I highly advise to stick to things like glycolic acid and salicylic acid and use it once or twice a week to exfoliate your skin for more glowing skin. Now the final myth that we are going to debunk, does your skin really need to breathe? You've definitely heard someone say, never sleep with your makeup on because your skin needs to breathe at night. However, do you breathe through your skin? Now only a few living organisms actually breathe through your skin, primarily invertebrates. Example, toads and frogs. Now for humans, on the other hand, we do not breathe through our skin at all. We actually breathe through our lungs, and our lungs capture the oxygen and transfer it to our red blood cells, which then carries out throughout the entire body. Hence, as humans, we do not breathe through our skin. However, why do we need to then wash off our makeup and our skincare before going to bed at night? That is because makeup can potentially clog your pores, especially after leaving it on for extended hours. Clogged pores equals more problematic skin, example, acne, whiteheads or blackheads. Hence, it is a good habit to actually remove your makeup and skincare before going to bed at night. So end of the day, it's not about oxygen on your skin, but it's about your skin's cleanliness and your skin's skin barrier. So if you're wearing makeup, always double cleanse at night. If you're wearing a lot of makeup, use an oil cleanser. If you're not wearing much makeup, you can actually use a micellar water cleanser. Rinse them off, and then use a gentle cleanser on your skin. Do not forget to continue your skincare routine. Use the necessary serums and moisturizers on your skin before going to bed at night. So which of the myths that I shared surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell button because we release new videos on a weekly basis. That's it from me. I'm Dr. Ingky, and always remember to stay safe, stay healthy, and most importantly, stay informed.